Jump Out TV production viewers and subscribers, back with a hot new video. Another one, people. In today's video, we want to talk about Ground Godzilla, Bounty Killer, Rodney Price, the poor people governor. Also, we want to talk about the vendetta boss, Alkaline, the man himself. People, Bounty Killer, just this Alkaline in a the wickedest way. Bounty Killer style Alkaline and DJ Akademiks interview people. Bounty Killer do an interview with DJ Akademiks, where Akademiks asks Bounty Killer but who him think a run dancehall and who a go carry the banner for dancehall for the next 10 years. People, Bounty Killer call everybody name except Alkaline. Bounty Killer call Massacre name. The man even call Chronics. What we know here, Chronics I do nothing for how long. Kabaka Pyramid. The man even call TJ name. The man even call Skeng. The man call a whole bunch of name. And go round the vendetta boss. So, DJ Akademiks ask the man about Alkaline. People, Bounty Killer crash out. Bounty Killer say some stuff where me no expect Bounty Killer fear say. But Bounty Killer show him true feelings. People, a Bounty Killer say unity in a dancehall. A Bounty Killer, me see post Alkaline sons and tell the people them figure support music. Bounty Killer is a big hypocrite. Bounty Killer is a big hypocrite. And this a come from Jump Out TV production. Because Bounty Killer say him a big man and him grown up and him mature. If you have a problem with Alkaline, why post Alkaline? Sure. Why post sons? People, Bounty Killer say Alkaline tell him figure suck him mother. Bounty Killer say anyway him see Alkaline a figure defend. Bounty Killer say anyway Alkaline see him, Alkaline a figure defend. The man say Alkaline stupid. The man say Alkaline is a good water. Bounty Killer do a interview and Bounty Killer go left. Bounty Killer couldn't control him ego or him emotion. People on the know say Jump Out TV production defend Bounty Killer to the fullest. But if Bounty Killer come out and say unity, dancehall artists must link up. And at the same time, you post Alkaline, sure. But at the same time, you go say in an interview to DJ Akademiks, say you despise the youth, you not like the youth are idiot, the youth are fool. See? And him tell you about your mother, and anywhere you see him have to go defend it. Anything when him say, he's supposed to can defend it. Bounty Killer say 3 artists will not forgive and him hate for life. Mr. Vegas, also Lexus. Bounty Killer say not care but them 3 artists there. But me I say, stop being a hypocrite. If you know say you not like Alkaline, why post the youth show? Why post sons with Alkaline as the main event and post a flyer with Alkaline? I tell people if you go support the music. But on the other hand, you don't like the youth, you want to hurt the youth, you want to damage the youth, you want to step to the youth, you want to beat him up, you want to box him up, you want to kick him down, you want to do him a whole bunch of stuff. Bounty Killer, you say you're a grown man. And me come out here so, and me I say, yeah, the general mature. Me like the part where the general depend. Since if you know say you never, if you know say you not support unity, you shouldn't say unity. Or you shouldn't say unity, but X out Alkaline, X out Vegas, X out Lexus. If you know you're not like Alkaline, you should have never post the man. Posters, you should have never post the man by your IG. Cause when you post the man, people out here say Bounty Killer growing up and Bounty Killer big man now. And Bounty Killer mature and Bounty Killer put on the ego, put on the friggery. We love the part where the general go. But now we see the general flip a switch, get cross, angry and miserable. Yes, we know how you turn. The youth diss you. Why you not make a song for the youth? Why you not take it to the youth? Lyrically, the man diss you 10 years now and you still a care feelings. 10 years now, you a look for Alkaline. Bounty Killer, you tell me say for 10 years, you cannot find Alkaline. Bounty Killer, yeah, Alkaline do a show in a Trinidad and Tobago, I think last year. The same show, yeah, Alkaline depend. Why you never rush Alkaline in a Trinidad and Tobago? Why you never rush him? He never burn you then. He burn you now. The youth not say nothing to you for how long. At 10 years, Bounty Killer a fight Alkaline. 10 years now, Bounty Killer a style Alkaline. Bounty Killer even said the man a idiot because the man use him sister as the manager. The man saying no trust nobody. He send him sister go to school. The man saying keep it in the family like royalty. And he trust in two sister them. And he making two sister them be manager. How you fi say Alkaline stupid when the man have him own a show? The man have new rules. We're keeping a Jamaica 3 times. The man have new rules a Europe. The man have new rules in America 2 times. New rules in a Canada. The man have him own a brand. The man even drop album where go #1 on the reggae Billboard chart. See, and the youth out here making money. The youth out here rich. The youth out here do better than a whole bunch of artists. Enough man no have the hype where Alkaline have. Enough man no have the pulling power we have. In the span of 10 years, the youth have crazy hit song. The youth are in the top 10 right now. In a dancehall, in a Jamaica. Alkaline are one of them man there. And enough of the artists them where you call none do as good as Alkaline. They not even have them own a show. Right now, Massacre in a problem because Massacre Style Cartel and the Gaza fans them are take away them support because the Gaza fans did help build Massacre. Alkaline on the other side have him own a fan base, the vendetta fans. So how you fi say the youth stupid? How you fi say the youth dark? Because you can't get fi use the youth. And any man where I go say, Alkaline how him rule. You can't see him anywhere. You can't go on a street side and see him. You can't go on the internet and just see him on a IG live. The man say you have to lucky when you see him or you have to pay if you see him at a show. The man have him own a brand. The man have him own a personality. The man anti-social and that are the right and proper way to move. The man is an introvert. The man avoid people. The man avoid crowd. The man avoid certain place. You only see him when he go up on one stage show. The man say he go up on a stage show, do the work, and then he cut. See, the way how time a roll you know, you can't have too much friend and fake friend. You can't too loose. You can't make the app sketch you lacking in the streets. The way how Alkaline move, as some move too. No boy can't know we location. You can't study we. You can't know where we are go there, where we not there. You don't know when we have it. You don't know who we are roll with. Car window always tilt up. And enough youth to take up that type of vibes that we Alkaline push. Enough for youths them antisocial because you can't trust people. Remember say Bob Marley done tell we long time again. Say only your best friend know your secret. Only him alone can reveal it. We see enough man out here, gyal show them lay down in a bed asleep. Gyal show them and expose them. Kulian Bailey we get exposed in a text, exposed in a video. The vendetta boss set him thing. Any gyal go round him, Every phone have a lock way. Once a youth they round him, phone have a lock way. You can't trust people in a them a day and age ya. Enough man trust people and get set up. Enough people we see girl set up. Enough man we see friends set up. See, look on even Vice Cartel where I go do certain things and have video with him out there saying I go do this and him I go do that. Video where use against him in a court, Vice note. Me personally like how the youth move. We don't know what type of car in drive. We don't know where he live. We don't know in business. We see some man with the airport, with the yaso, with this. So you can't make people study you in a them days, yeah. So at the end of the day, bounty killer, the youth is smart and the youth is intelligent. Say one want say about the youth, but the youth career solid and the youth rich. The youth having money, the youth having things them in just not make nobody know nothing about him. Listen to the music, focus on the music. The man keeping private life. Private as a celebrity used to roll. And Bounty Killer come out as a burn out youth. Why me say Bounty Killer a hypocrite again too? Bounty Killer did antisocial. You can't run in pan Bounty Killer. One whole heap of entourage member and all of that. When Bounty Killer roll back in a way, in idea you have to see him a stage show or you see him pan an interview. Bounty Killer did a roll antisocial too. So what wrong with the youth a role antisocial? Cause we can't trust people. A whole heap of fake people out there. And the man only trust him sister and a select few. So me love how the youth a roll. The man have him sister as the manager. Bounty Killer go saying stupid when Alkaline career solid more than a whole bunch of people in a dancer. The youth richer than a whole bunch of people in a dance hall. Bounty Killer, the youth do a song name Brata. The man say a hit a go on in a world and it taboo. See? Bounty Killer now no support the song. Bounty Killer style the youth. Once you diss the youth, yo, anything you get, you have to take it. If a boy diss me and me send him up on my mother, as so me feel at the moment. Once you diss me, anything you get, take it. Bounty Killer, you diss the man. You don't approve of the song. Yes, we don't support the body wash. But the man say him see it a go on in a society. Bounty Killer never like when Tommy Lee with the demon business and running pan Tommy Lee. Tommy Lee have to diss you. Young Cartel fall out. Cartel diss you. But you forgive Cartel. Remember Cartel say you got defecate in an angel bed. Remember Cartel say you suck the most pum pum in the country. Cartel of a song I say, I want do gully monkey. Bounty am the most front in the country. Cartel this you, but yet still, you forgive Cartel. Yes, me understand when a man tell you about your mother, me get that. At 10 years now, you fight the youth. 10 years now, the youth not say nothing about you. For 10 years now, Alkaline no business with Bounty Killer. Bounty Killer get back in visa. Bounty Killer hot. Bounty Killer just sell out the Barclays. But yet still, why you there on an interview at talk about Alkaline? You could have simply tell a man say you don't want to talk about that. But we feel to say you don't have no problem with Alkaline. You allow that out because you say you're growing and you say unity and you post the man. But that's why the youth not running because the youth can't trust a whole heap of corruption are going in a dance hall. Every artist now must bow to Cartel. Every artist must go Cartel foot. Every man want you to call them general, me daddy, me boss. The youth no hang out with you no. He no smoke with you no. He no drink with you no can't call him, you can't link him, you can't get to the youth now come on the foot and you still have a problem with him. Every interview Cartel do is about Alkaline. No Bounty Killer, I drop words yaso, I drop words deso, and they all over the place. The youth low no, the youth no business with uno, the youth just a focus pan him fan base. But you say anyway you buck the youth, you have to defend it. Bounty Killer, a 15 year you not have no visa. If you now step to Alkaline lyrically, me not say why you fi step to him physically. You lose your visa for 15 years and people glad say you get your visa and you still no learn a badness you push. Bounty killer, you need to mature. You need to grow up. Your grandfather now. Enough man out they get to suck your mother and bill. And it's not like said you do it when your mother deceased. Your mother was still alive, killer. So you need to love that. If you want step to the youth lyrically, you step to the man lyrically. And bounty killer, lyrically, if you step to Alkaline in a run, in a back down. Me rate bounty killer as an artist, but Alkaline now go back down. And bounty killer, when you say, anytime you step to the youth have to go defend it. The youth ain't see enough than job. And him no frightened for link. Bounty killer. I know back in the days this youth. Every man nowadays have their link, and every man nowadays have their crew and their entourage. The youth roll away, and you know say you can't run in pan the youth like that, cause the youth roll different. But me I say youth, as a big man, you shouldn't have come from prison right now, not going. And the age where you're dead bounty killer, and no time for push badness. You need to out here and enjoy your fans them. Enjoy your family. Tour. Make money. Sell out some arena. Put on them badness there for the local youth them. Lead by example. Cause the man no say nothing to you for about 10 years now. And you pick pan the man. And you try bully the youth. And the youth defend himself. Me not say nothing wrong with a man who defend himself. Cause if you never style the youth or go at the youth, you and the youth would have no problem. And the youth go in your DM and tell a big man where bout your mother. So the youth defend himself. What wrong with the youth? Defend himself. If you step on a man's shoes intentionally, you can't tell the man how to react. But bounty killer want to crash out now. As a big man. As a big man now, you want to crash out. So how is it, bounty killer? Vice Cartel saying sleep with Movado mother in a song. And you tell Movado say, for a man go mother, love him out. But you call for unity. Vice Cartel never this Movado mother. So why you call for unity? Why you not tell Vado say you a go cartel fi go? Cause cartel saying sleep with the man mother. All pan stage again. Vice Cartel saying sleep with the man mother. And Movada say no bababu, no, how mother drop in. How mother drop in. So bounty killer you bias. The interview you disrespect the youth, you call the youth water. If you want beef with the youth, do it lyrically. Make we see bounty killer Alkaline. But you say Alkaline at the pan your level. Bounty killer saying at the interview in biggest show at Barclay Stadium. Alkaline I got Barclay too. Alkaline had 25,000 in a new rules, in a Trelawney, and in a National Stadium, the first new rule, over 30,000. In a London, the man sell out 12,000. Bounty killer, you need to grow up, bro. You need to mature. You need to love it. You can't pick pan artists and style artists. Yes, we know say you defend dancehall for years, but you know what come with it. The youth a try feed him family. The youth a try take care of him friends them. And for a man like you, we have power. Them time there, cause them time that whole heap of gatekeeping did a go on at the internet of a boss Alkaline. And if you are fight against the youth career, whole heap of artists come out, fight against the youth. Me nah grow on no corner. Alkaline get the most fight in a dancehall. Vice Cartel don't support Alkaline. Beanie Man don't support him. Bounty Killer don't support him. Them Popcorn come no support him. Massacre, the Six Camp them, Tommy Lee them, whole of them fight the youth. Only Movado say love the youth. Only Hydonia say love the youth. Everybody else as the selector them, Tony Mataran, the whole of them pick side and I fight the youth. The reason why me rate the youth, me not support bad mind. Me not support people that try hold on ghetto youth. The whole of them are ghetto youth. Why uno I try fight Alkaline? The man a ghetto youth. The man do body wash from 2010. Once the crowd start listen to him and in boss, we not hear the man a do no folly, we not hear him a do no song like that. Remember Cartel saying a song, girl, you know give body wash, that a bad habit. How him know say the girl no do body wash? Him now fi hacks the girl. Him now fi hacks. Look how much song we see some man say, we're shaky. At the end of the day, we burn out the fish business. We burn out the shaky business. But we can't support gun song. We have say dirty brothers and sisters. We cannot support song. We have say dirty young baby. We cannot support song. We say by your funeral day, we are going to shoot up the church and shoot up the casket them. So at the same time, we burn out shakiness in a dance hall. But we support song. We are say we must dirt with brothers and sisters, and then we complain about the crime rate in the country. Who are the real dons? Who are the real dons? Who are the real dons? When we are promote some song, we are say slap with we brothers and sisters. We have some song out there where I say catch the house of fire, and when the people run out, wet them up. How them the song they make sense? A conscious song, no more we should support. Love song, song we are talking about suffering, struggling, zinc fence and boardhouse. But we toxic, so we love them type of song there. See? Enough man out there, burn out fish, burn out shaky people, but support Dan. Support some man who make 30 duppy, father duppy. Support some man who make some girl not know their father, their mother, them sister, them brother, all the granny get it. Seeing all the granny get it. So don't get it twisted. If I know R&B love song, culture song, we should not support gun song either, because it a damage we country and make a crime rate out of hand. So if we are born fish, we burn fish, we burn shaky people, but we burn gunman, we are dirty youth them innocently, we dirt robbers, we burn out robbers, we burn out criminal, we burn out some man we are dash where the woman them too, and we burn out shakiness. So bounty killer out for crash out. People, tell me what you thinking in the comment section. Some people are going to agree with me, and some people are going to disagree with me. Bounty killer 50 of the year old now, and him trouble the youth. The youth never said nothing to killer till killer said something about him. The youth have all right to defend himself. And when bounty killer right, me defend him. When him wrong, me burn a fire. When do wrong, you're a big man. What if you're running pan the youth now and they hurt you? What if you're running pan the youth and you get damaged? Bounty killer, every man have their money now. Every man have links. Every man have done. Every man have friend. So you think say you're going to run in pan Alkaline and beat him up and thump him up and him friend them allow it? So you running for Alkaline now, beat him up, for him friend them, rush you, for your friend them, rush him, and all pan a sonny you got a funeral, for what? The man don't tell you say has son dog, what we did for him. 4 AK lean up on a wall. The man say no had nothing to live for, but he will carry certain people with him. Bounty killer, a years you not see your youth them. A years you missing out. Go focus on your youth. If I know music and lyrical clash, go build. Go sit down. Because you probably running and something happen to you. What if you're running and you thump Alkaline? Alkaline drop a dot, lick him head and dead. You gone to prison for 40 years, 30 years. Go find something though, you're a big man. Go sit down. Miss Ivy live a good life. Miss Ivy live her best life. And Miss Ivy know say a dancehall you do. For you do dancehall, you probably will get a suck your mother, a suck your mama. Miss Ivy know. But are you running? Go build youth. Go find something the way a big man now. Enjoy your money. Enjoy your visa. Go get some front. Travel go some country. Make some money. Buy some more big house. Buy some GLE. Buy some G-Wagon. Buy some Ferrari. Buy some Lambo. Buy some big chain. Swimming pool. Live life. Lobster, shrimp. Where badness I go. Where badness I go when life out there for live. Go sit down and build, man. Jump Out TV production, like, comment, share, subscribe, I'm out.